welcome back to my channel. I'm back this week with another video for you guys, but today we're gonna be talking about a subscription box, and that box is the luxury scent box. But I just wanted to give you guys a rundown of the subscription box since it is actually pretty cool, and it is about perfume. So if you're into fragrances and you've been looking for a subscription box that it is not super expensive, it's only $15 a month, and that you can get a new fragrance every month, definitely keep on watching. But if you're not a part of the Bolian family yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get into this luxury scent box subscription service review. So pretty much the first thing that I really wanted to touch on is exactly what is a luxury scent box. I did want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Luxury Scent Box. I did partner with them to bring you guys this video. So pretty much a luxury scent box is a subscription for both men and women that gives you a new perfume every month for $15. They have over 550 designer perfumes and colognes, and you get a new travel size every month. So pretty much you just pay $15 a month, you get a travel size designer high-end fragrance every month of your choosing, and you also get free shipping. It is kind of like a makeup subscription, if you've heard of Ipsy or BoxyCharm, something like that, but with luxury scents, which is really nice. It is something I had never seen before. So now that we pretty much know what it is, let's get into how it works. You have a couple steps that you have to follow in order to get into the subscription. The first step is to discover your scent, which pretty much means that a certified fragrance specialist will match you up with your perfect scent, and after that you will create your profile, and you start doing that by taking a fragrance survey. So pretty much after you take that survey, it will give you a lot of recommendations on perfumes you might like, and then after you create your profile and do the survey and receive your recommendations, you can create your calendar, which means that you will choose the different fragrances you want to receive each month from that survey you did or from browsing through their fragrances. And then after you have built your calendar, you will begin to receive your fragrances each month, so pretty much month to month, with the fragrance of your choosing. So for example, let's say that I signed up in June and I went on the luxury box website, which I will actually link down below, and I created my profile, I did my survey, I received my recommendations, and what I would do from those recommendations or from any perfume that you choose from their browsing, let's say I wanted to receive a Juicy Couture perfume for June, I would put it in my calendar as my June perfume, and then let's say in July I wanted my Versace Crystal perfume, so I would put that Versace Crystal perfume in my July calendar, and then when I start receiving my boxes, I would receive my June box, and that box would have my Juicy Couture perfume, and then in July I would receive my July box, and that box would have my Versace perfume. So pretty much you choose the fragrances you want from their selection, and you start receiving them monthly for $15 a month, free shipping, and those are pretty much all the steps. So pretty much I'm just gonna go over what exactly you will receive in the subscription. Every month you will receive a luxury scent, and that scent is gonna be 0.30 fluid ounces or 9 millimeters. So it is gonna be a travel size, and I'm just gonna show you guys real quick what exactly it looks like. And this is the box that you will first get on your first month of your subscription. On the first month you will receive their case, which will have the perfume inside, and what you have to do to open it is twist it up, and this is the perfume right here. And I'm just gonna show you guys what you would get each month so that you can have an idea of the amount of product you are getting. And I'm just gonna pull this out of here, just pull it right up. So pretty much you'll be getting this tube of perfume full to the brim, and it should last you a month. It is 0.30 ounces as I said before, and on this bottle, which is on the inside of this case, you can actually see the name of the perfume. This specific perfume is the Versace Bright Crystal perfume, and I would get this amount, which is supposed to last you a month until you get your next month. And then to put this back in here, you just pop it back in. It is that easy, and then to close it you will twist it, and to open it you twist it. And as I said before, you can always choose your fragrance. There are 100% designer luxury fragrances, and they have over 550 fragrances, so there is something for everyone, and it is both for men and women. So there are perfumes and colognes. And then I did want to go more into what you get inside the box your first month as opposed to the rest of the months. So pretty much the first month of your subscription you will get this case case right here. There is either black or gold. This one is gold right here. I'm gonna show you the black one. You can either get this black one or this gold one, and in these cases you can put any perfume inside of them. And now in your first month you will receive, as I said before, this case, and inside this case you will receive also approximately 1 month worth of fragrance, which is the fragrance that's inside of here. And to get this out, what you have to do is twist it to the right and it will come up, and to get the fragrance out of the bottle you just have to grab it from the knob right here and pull it up, and this is what goes in here. And every month after that you will receive these little things so that you can change them every time you run out of product in here. To give you guys a rundown, first month you will get this with this inside of it. Every month after that you will get only this so that you can keep replacing them on your bottle that you already have that is reusable. And now when you begin your subscription you will get one of these, but then quarterly, which means 4 times a year, you will also receive new ones of these. So let's say you joined in January and you have one of these. That means that by the time spring comes around you will get a new case, and then by the time summer comes around you would get another one, and by the time fall comes around you would get another one. So you will also be getting replacements of these, just not every single month. It will be quarterly, so that is also nice. It's not you're only gonna get this case just once because it might break, you might lose it, you know, things happen. So you will also get a new case quarterly. So now that I have given you guys pretty much a list of all the steps you need to complete in order to become a member and what the subscription box actually is, I did want to let you guys know pretty much why you should become a member. And first of all, I just wanted to let you guys know that I think that this is a very innovative idea. I've seen a lot of boxes of makeup and all these things, but I've never seen one that actually does luxury scents that are actually legitimate. I got on my boxes, I got the Juicy Couture perfume and I also got a Versace perfume, and I've had both Versace perfumes before and Juicy Couture perfumes before, and these are legitimate. They both smell amazing, and the fact that you can actually choose the perfumes you get is amazing, and that they have a survey that you can take and that they can recommend perfumes to you guys is just awesome. These are very nice for traveling. You can always take them on the go with you. These are very nice to put in your purse, and the good thing about these is that this is not glass on the outside, which means that it won't break, it won't ruin your purse. And to put it on, you literally just twist it, you spray it on. I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. You just spray it and you smell delicious because this smells so good. Also, it is only $15 a month. Plus, you get free shipping. It is month to month, and there are no contracts, and you can cancel anytime, which is also really nice. It's not like you have to sign a contract and keep it on for a year. It is a month to month, and you just pay $15. You get your perfume of your choice, and you can carry it in your purse. You can carry it around. You will literally never run out of perfume because you will always get a new one for $15 a month. The perfumes they have are actually super high-end and super luxury, so you're actually saving money too. One of these perfumes, like for example a Versace perfume, a full size, it is normally $120, so you're paying $15 for 0.30 ounces, but you also get to try so many perfumes. Now, I did want to let you guys know that they do have some premium items, and those premium items are $18 a month, not $15 a month, and those are for perfumes that are more expensive. For example, these perfumes are normally $120 a month for a full-size bottle, and you get them for $15 a month. But if you wanted to get one of the perfumes they have that is $230 for the large bottle, you would need to pay $18 a month, but that is a premium item. That is not their first subscription, so they also have options there. If you do want a little more luxury in your box, you can always pay $3 more and get those even more expensive perfumes. Also, if you only want to try one of those really high-end perfumes 1 month, they would only charge you $18 for that 1 month. For example, let's say that in June I wanted to try just their normal subscription. I would pay $15, but then on my calendar I put that I want one of their premium perfumes in July. That means that in July I would pay $18, but then let's say in August I went back to their normal subscription and I had in my calendar a normal perfume, it would be back to $15. So you can either do every month $18 and have all premium perfumes every month, or you can do their normal luxury perfumes every month and it'll be $15 a month. Or you can do what I did in my example, which is just do 1 month, try their normal luxury perfumes, another month try their premium luxury perfumes, which would be $18, and you would pay $18 only for the month you choose their premium perfume. Some of the perfumes that would be on that premium list would be the Tiziana or the Terenzi perfumes, which are premium, and those large sizes retail for $230 to $265. And they also have another premium subscription, which is the one that you pay $18 every single month. And on that $18 subscription, you get to choose from every single fragrance, their premium perfumes, their normal perfumes. And if you get that premium perfume subscription, you will also get a new case, which is the outer case, every single month. So pretty much I'm just gonna go over this again. You have 3 options. You can go with the normal subscription, which is $15 a month. You would get the case the first time you purchase and quarterly, and every other month you would get this only, and those would be from their original perfumes, not the premium ones. Then you have the second option, which is that you can do a premium perfume 1 month if you feel like it and pay $18 for only that month, and then pay $15 for every month after that for their normal perfumes. Or you have the third option, which is that you can always choose from any fragrance, their premium ones, their regular ones, and you will also get a new case every month, and that would be $18 each month. So you do have options here and there, but I feel like even their $15 one is also really nice. There's options there in price range as well. Okay guys, so pretty much to finish up this video, I did want to read to you guys from the website why Luxury Scent Box was created and how. So pretty much I'm just gonna read this off of this. So this says that Luxury Scent Box is a monthly fragrance subscription site for men and women. It was created to match you with the perfect scent one at a time. The founders are fragrance specialists, studying fragrances and having over 15 years of expertise in the world of perfume and cologne. With this expertise in the fragrance industry, the knowledge and passion for scents influenced them to establish this site. So it is also really nice to know that the founders of this company actually have experience in fragrance, and this is actually a really nice service. It is very sophisticated. It is something I had never seen before, and it is something that I was really excited about when they reached out to me for this video, because you know, I always run out of perfumes like super quickly, and the fact that I can get a new one every month and that I can try so many perfumes that are high-end, that are luxury for $15 a month, it was just super exciting to me. So yeah, I was just super excited to show you guys this subscription and how it works, because it is something different, something innovative, and it is something that I actually use and enjoy because I love fragrances, and the fact that you can choose them also, it's really nice. It's not like some subscriptions that send you stuff that you don't choose. This is something that you would actually use because you actually choose it, and it is free shipping. You also have no contracts, no obligations. So I also wanted to let you guys know that I do have a 35% off code with them. You just use code Paola Franco. I will leave it right here so that you guys don't get confused, and you would put that at checkout and you will get 35% off your first month, which would bring down the cost of your first box from $15 to $9.75 with free shipping, and that is only for new members. So if you're already a member of Luxury Scent Box, you can't use my code, but if you are not a member and you want to become a member and you want to explore new perfumes, you can definitely use code Paola Franco for 35% off your first month. And on the first month box, you will receive this, and you will receive the fragrance for $9.75, and you will also get this little card, and on here they just thank you for becoming a member, and it has all their social media, and it tells you how to rate their fragrances after you receive them. I did want to let you guys know that after you sign up for the subscription, your Luxury Scent Box would usually ship in between 2 to 7 days after the billing date, so you would get it pretty soon after ordering, which is also really nice. It's not like you're gonna be waiting for 5 months to get it. Oh, and I also got this little case to put it on. So this is also really cute, because if you want to take it on the go, you can take your perfume and put it on this case and close it and take it on your purse, and it is just super fancy and super nice and luxurious, and I love this. And this is in suede, by the way, so it feels really fancy. I feel like that is it for this video. I hope I touched on everything you wanted to know. If you still have any questions, let me know in the comments. I can always answer any questions that you have or any clarification. I will leave a lot of information in the description box. I will leave their website, I will leave my discount code, I will leave a link, I will leave also all the steps you need to know for your subscription. And if you have any other questions, definitely check this description box. And if you still have questions, let me know in the comments. I will always answer your questions. So yeah, I hope you guys are into this kind of thing. I love subscription boxes. I feel like it is one way to try a lot of product and you always save money. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys join Luxury Sandbox. I feel like it is a super cool subscription. It is something new, something I hadn't seen before. It is super easy to use and it is just super convenient and travel friendly. So yeah, it is also pretty affordable considering the fact that you're getting a luxury perfume for $15. But I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel before you leave. So yeah, definitely let me know in the comments if you plan on joining Luxury Sandbox, because I feel like you definitely should. It is something super nice and super cool for your fragrance junkies. And yeah, until next time, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.